Well, let's look in the future a little bit. With what we've seen, and I think we can agree that stem cell research is a relatively new science. What does the future hold? What's on the horizon with this therapy? Should we be able to continue to advance treatments?
Absolutely. In the news reports, and I encourage people to see them because I don't know where else this is being reported. And for families that have family members or friends that are dealing with a particular disease, I think you'll find it. Everything from ALS to Parkinson's to brain injury, it's all covered in these reports. I talked about Dr. Doris Taylor. Since then, not content with what she did with the Fido in his heart, she then brought a rat heart back to life at the University of Minnesota. And what she did, Scott, she drained this heart, this cadaver heart, drained it with a kitchen detergent of all of its stem cells. And in one of the reports, she let me use the pictures, what's called a decellularized organ. That's a heart that's almost translucent. All the cells are gone. And then she takes stem cells from a young, healthy rat and fills this matrix, this framework, with the stem cells. When she walks into the laboratory with her associate, Dr. Harold Ott, she sees the heart beating. It was on television. Now she said, I see a time when you will have jars of livers, jars of kidneys, jars of hearts ready to be transplanted into a patient. Now, I'll tell you why it's not that far away. She said, I don't see this as decades away. I see it as a matter of years. And that's already been 3 years since she said that. You see, once she was able to show the scientific community how they could do this with one organ, you know, you can wait 100 years until somebody gives you the key. By decellularizing the heart, Dr. Paulo Maricherini in Spain, Barcelona, Spain, had a patient named Claudius, 31 years old, dying of cancer of the trachea. He harvests a cadaver trachea from a 51-year-old man in Italy, has it sent to his office at the hospital in Barcelona, drains out all the stem cells, same way as Dr. Taylor did, and then puts it in place, injects Claudius stem cells into this harvested cadaver trachea. The body does not reject it. It fools the body to thinking this is your own organ. And he's done that on patients, for patients all over the world now. So as he's done that, at Wake Forest University, Dr. Anthony Atala is building body parts. I think that would interest you. They're building body parts. They're building, using the same process. They're building ears. Takes about 8 weeks, they say, to build an ear. A lot of the veterans coming back have lost an ear. They are building livers, kidneys, and this is just the beginning. So to answer your question, if you can take a cadaver heart, put it into a human being, same plumbing, the ports are there, the valves are there. If you can do that and then seed it with the patient's own stem cells, there's no rejection. That's been the biggest battle to overcome. We are living in a time with 3,000 people dying a year waiting for a heart transplant that never comes. We're at a point in the next year to 2 years or 3 years, you're going to see amazing, amazing breakthroughs.